Students, I want to share with you some resources that are available for you for your ELA STAAR exam question papers. Now we look over here. There's this resource dictionary, which is going to be very useful for you for your exam. Let me show you. When I click on that, this box populates right here. I have typed in the word amazed and I clicked dictionary, and then I get the meaning of amazed, and then the adverb amazingly, amazing, how it can be used. Amaze is the verb form, and the definition of amaze. You can use, so you can interchange. Instead of amaze, if you want to use surprised, astonished, you can use those words too, and it gives you a good idea for the different words. If you want to paraphrase it, to use different words. If you don't want to copy directly from the text some answers, in cases where you don't want to copy in your own words, you can use the dictionary and change, use different words. So use words with the same meanings. Now let me show you another trick. If I have to type in the word, if I'm typing in wonderful, now you see it's highlighted in red because I made a mistake when I typed in wonderful. Let me hit that, and now you see the word you have entered isn't in the dictionary. Click on the spelling. See, I have wonderful, wonderfully, and I meant wonderful. That was this word, and you see, what does wonderful mean? Marvelous, admirable. You see? So if I made a mistake so my correct spelling would be wonderful. It doesn't have two L's. It only has one L. So I can use a dictionary when in doubt. If I don't know the spelling correctly, I can use a dictionary and it will provide me words with the similar meanings that I can use interchangeably, like it's wonderful, it's marvelous, it's admirable, it's unusual, or like those kind of things, unusually good, those kind of things. So I can use it, and it will tell me also, like, if it's what's the adverb for it. Wonderful is an adjective. So those kind of things are useful as well when we are doing our especially during our ECRs, SCRs, and also if we have to write or revise our sentences, the dictionary can always be used. It's a wonderful tool to use when you're revising and editing. Thank you so much. And then next is you have a notepad here. The notepad, you can actually type things, you can cut it and paste it where you want, you can copy paste it, and that notepad can be used for your benefit for SCR and ECR questions. Then you have something called as a line reader here. You have the zoom out, zoom in options. If you want to see more elaborate, you want to see the whole of a screen or a little bit of the screen, those kind of tools are there. And